Alright. Hey auras, so sorry about earlier and me getting set up. I was having lots of technical difficulties because I don't have my little cell phone stand, and apparently I can't Facebook live on my iPad, or at least I have to download software in order to do it, and shenanigans on that. So hopefully everything goes well, my camera doesn't fall. This will just be a very fun experience for all of us today as I do this unboxing. So today's unboxing is the Resident Evil 3 Collector's Edition, and I know I told you guys that I was going to unbox this maybe like 2 months ago now, but my copy of Resident Evil 3 was actually held hostage, I want to say, though not really, just because of everything that's happening with COVID. I had it pre-ordered at GameStop. They closed their stores. They sent me no notification as to how I could get my copy, then told me they were going to send it to me through the mail, which this is a collector's edition, so they don't have extras to send through the mail. But yet, like, it was just trapped, so I knew I would have to wait for it a really long time, which like broke my heart. Notification as to how I could get my copy. Sorry. But yeah, it really broke my heart that I couldn't get it, and I was just waiting and waiting, and I actually hit like this weird lull where I didn't want to play any video games because I knew as soon as they figured something out I would go get it and play it. So that's the backstory of Resident Evil. So let's do this. Let's open this up. Let's open this baby up. So I'm so excited. I have my little knife. Oh, I also, friends of mine, I posted that I got it finally, and I bought chocolate milk with it because now I can just stay home. So they told me to unbox chocolate milk, so Horizon's chocolate milk is my absolute favorite. Not the pre-made packages, but the actual big ones. So anyhow, so this is what we're looking at. We have the stars, which I'm sure we'll hear all of it. So just the standard box on the side, and then of course all the goodies that it's going to come with it. But of course we'll open it to see what that all is. So did they do that thing where they tape it on a side? And I must know they didn't. Yay! I can release it. Ooh, so we have the raccoon, stars, the police department. So I like the box. It's like a little chest, which is kind of a nice little throwback. So it says tape. I wonder if I can just, nope, don't want to do that. There we go. The tape was curled, and I was like, oh, maybe I can take it off. And then I was like, no, don't do that. You'll ruin art. Ooh. So we first open it up to cardboard and the game. Oh man, this is very fragrant. Ooh, okay, so we get a voucher for the digital soundtrack. Okay, that's neat. I have to go to a website and put in a code. So soundtrack. Kind of sad that they didn't give me a CD, but okay. Ooh, oh, this is awesome. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. This is so cool. So this is what we have, a map, and I haven't even shown you guys the best part yet. So you can see it. This is so neat. That's awesome. So the best part is I was like, it feels like grocery store paper, which is nuts. Look at this. This is awesome. This is super awesome. Umbrella Corp. Woo! Okay, that's really neat. I love that. Alright. And I like that it like looks like it's in Sharpie, and that's awesome. It's really like the little details of collector's editions sometimes. Okay, so we have Project N and Project R. So I wonder what this is. Yay, art book. That's neat. So I'll get up close so we can go through this together. It's a little long, actually. I may not go through this one. Normally I like to like walk it through. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So art book. And more lovely, lovely cardboard. And then this is what I wanted. Okay, so lovingly put that down and not throw it like I normally do. So Jill. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, wow. She is... Wow. Okay. Oh, she's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just put that there for right now. Can I move her? Yes? No? Sort of? Kinda, not really? Okay, well, I'll bring her up close as well. Everything's great. Free the vase. Give me the vase. No, I have to completely. Haha. Okay. Oh wow. Oh, I love it. Okay. So I will get up close with this as well. And then I would like to see, yeah, it's supposed to go through her hand. Maybe I'm just bad at it. How do? Oh, okay, her hand like flexes, so I just gotta, Jill, I gotta manhandle you real quick as I try to, haha, Get in there. Okay. Oh, that's gorgeous. She is beautiful. The design on her is just like, they made some details. Get it, Jill. Get it. So I guess for size reference, here is the game. And there is Jill. She's big. She's big. I love it. All right, so then we'll go through the art book as well. We'll try to do... At first, when I opened the art book, I was like, oh, we're empty. We're just empty paging it. It's beautiful. So... I don't want to go through too much. Like, I don't want to stay too long on pages, just in case this spoils anything for you guys. But just so you can see some of the stuff. Infected doggo. Doggo! Yeah, we know who that guy is. We will know him intimately. Oh, we're gonna look at this one. Oh, awesome. Love it. We could go in there. Brad! Poor Brad. Poor Brad. This is so cool. I mean, I'm more super happy that I finally got it. Oh, hey, look. It's COVID, guys. It's COVID. Just kidding. I mean, it's maybe not. Oh. Oh, this is for the new thing. Okay. Awesome. So yeah, this is oh crap, I can't remember what it's called. But it's that new random Resident Evil-esque thing. So, yay! I'm excited! Woo! That's great. Okay. So, yay! That's the unboxing of Resident Evil. So now I'm going to download it and play it because I've been waiting so long. So, hopefully next week I will be able to unbox Catherine for you guys. Sorry I haven't done it. It's just, you know, with everything going on, sometimes it's hard to just like do normal stuff. So I try, and I'm motivated now because now I get to play Resident Evil finally. Only 2 months. So I'll see you guys later.